This is an overview of the inventory status template. To use this template, we need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, you need to go to Extensions, Add-ons, and Get Add-ons. Search for Gorilla ROI and then install the required add-on. Once the add-on is installed, you will see it like this. Now we need to activate the add-on. You will see an option here to use this add-on. Click Use this add-on and then go to Extensions, the add-on, and now you will see Add User ID here. Since I have already activated mine, let me show you how the user ID box appears. This is the user ID I'm using right now. You just need to copy paste or type in yours and click Save. In case the Save button doesn't work, just use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google Cache. Once this is activated, you should start seeing your data. In case you run into an error, just delete this and undo it. This will trigger a refresh across the whole sheet. Wait for the data to load. Once the data is loaded, you will see the product information here, the inventory status here, and the shipment status here. We have multiple other tabs in this template as well. The product tab contains product information as well as if the SKU is winning the buy box or not. It also shows you the fees and other information. In the inventory tab, we have a detailed overview of the inventory status for FBA, and then we have the shipment details here, a few sales related data points, the 30-day velocity and the days left with FBA fees and quantity to send, rank, and price. The data inventory tab shows almost the same thing, but since we are using some of this information for the dashboard, and this is why you see identical information here. Then we have data sales, and this is where you will see information regarding the sales. First you see the inventory status, and then the sales for the specified period. This is in units, so the number of units, and then you see the value of the number of units sold for the specified period. Now you have the weights tab. This is where you can adjust the weightage according to your needs. And then the inputs tab. This tab is for backend as well. This is from where we are actually managing the periods, the specified time periods, and the marketplaces in the drop-down menus. It's recommended not to edit these sheets unless needed. Then we have the instructions tab. It contains the instructions on how to enable the add-on and then activate the add-on and make the formulas work. Here we have the color legend, and this is what the different colors mean on the sheet. And then you have the glossary tab. These are all the custom functions we offer, and if you click on this, it will take you directly to our web page for this specific function. Thank you.